Dear law student, especially the male law students, I'm going to talk to you for a minute because I'm a guy and I wear suits, so I'm going to talk to the guys who wear suits for a second. I'm going to talk to you as a law student what kind of suits you should have as you start your legal career, okay, as a law clerk, both as a law clerk and then as a young attorney. Now, maybe you're going to Cal Berkeley and you're going to work in Silicon Valley, and none of this makes any difference because they don't even require that you wear clothes to work, right? So maybe you just don't need to listen to this. But for most of us who are litigators and going into court, you're going to need to figure out what type of suit to wear. So you should start with two. And these don't need to be expensive, but they also shouldn't be complete garbage. Okay, so spend a few $100 on each one of them. You should get a dark charcoal suit, okay, charcoal gray, and a navy suit. Okay, conservative, no peak lapels at this point. Notch lapels, not like gaudy lapels, none of that kind of thing. Don't do three buttons. Don't do three-piece suits. Don't do any of that kind of stuff. Just really conservative suits. Okay, two of them. Because if there is a utility baseball player in the world of lawyer suits, it is the charcoal gray suit, okay? You can wear it with black shoes, you can wear it with dark brown shoes, you can wear it when you're meeting with potential clients, you can wear it during trial, like it is the utility baseball player, okay? And same kind of thing with a navy blue suit, although that's a little more formal. Okay, so usually you want to wear that in trial and your hearings or something along those lines. But you have those two suits, and you're going to cover like 90% of your bases. Okay, now you can branch out past that. The next two suits I would tell you to get would be a lighter color gray suit. This is slightly lighter. I don't know if you can tell with the lighting, but it's lighter than a charcoal. But a slightly lighter gray suit. And then it's slightly less formal, but still pretty formal. And then a lighter blue suit as well, electric blue, kind of whatever your shade of blue is, right? So you have the navy, and that's super formal, but then you can go lighter blue. So that's how I would do it. I have the charcoal, and then the lighter gray, and then I have the navy and a lighter blue suit. And then after you have the four, you got like 95% of your bases covered as a lawyer, okay? And then you can like branch out if you're into suits, if you really like them, then you can start looking at other stuff. You can start looking at peak lapels and different types of pants, different types of sports jackets, mix and match. Have fun with your fashion as an attorney. You can do that, right? You shouldn't really do that during court very much if you're a litigator. You should probably keep it pretty conservative, depending on where you are in the country, I guess. But like here in Utah, judges do almost require you to be like super conservative in your suits. But you can play with ties, you can play with pocket squares, you can play with all sorts of different things to kind of liven it up just a little bit. And like have fun with it. This is our uniform as attorneys, especially as litigators, and set the basics out, get that figured out during law school, and then as an attorney, like have some fun with it, man. Build it out, look good. Look good as an attorney. The better you look as an attorney, the better your suits fit, the better your suits make you look, the better you feel about yourself, the better you're going to perform, okay? This is not about impressing other people. It's not. This is about you feeling good about what's inside you and taking what's inside you and that goodness inside you and then communicating that to other people. That's what your suit is about, okay? So it's not about impressing the guy on the street. It's not about impressing the other attorney. It's not even about impressing your client. It is about taking the goodness inside of you and exuding it through your clothes, okay? So you feel comfortable and you can perform at the highest level. So start that in law school. Dark charcoal and a navy suit. All right, until next time, thank you.